Here are the directions for student login into their online scrimmage review. From your SDMC desktop, you will see two Accoletics tiles. Click on the one that says Accoletics Math Club. This will take you directly to the Math Club portal. From here, enter your username that your teacher provided for you, and the password is password. Once you're in the Math Club portal, click on your comprehensive pre-post assessment. From here, you'll have access to your results from your scrimmage. You will notice that the problems that you got correct are in green, and the problems that are incorrect and that we need more practice for are in red. To take the time to practice, you're going to choose the items that showed up in red. You're going to take some time to watch the instructional video that they've provided for you, which will show you one way of solving the problem. Then you can go back out and you can practice problems that are very similar to the one that you had on your scrimmage. You can practice as many times as you like. Once you have answered the new problems 4 times correctly, this red practice will turn up in green. The goal is by the end of the year to fill this up with as many different greens as we can. That's why we want to go to the green party. If you find that as you're practicing, you're not getting them correct, you can go back and watch the video a second time or ask your teacher for some help. Keep up the good work and good luck.